Welcome back to the channel. Today we're showing you the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, the new face of luxury travel. If you enjoy futuristic motorhome content like this, stay with us till the end. There's a lot more to see. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
When Rolls-Royce decides to enter a market, they don't simply participate, they redefine it entirely. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Luxury Motorhome represents exactly this philosophy. A stunning testament to what happens when the world's most prestigious automotive brand applies its legendary craftsmanship and uncompromising standards to the world of mobile luxury living. This isn't just another high-end RV. It's a rolling palace that embodies everything Rolls-Royce stands for: elegance, performance, exclusivity, and an unwavering commitment to perfection. The first thing that strikes you about this extraordinary vehicle is its breathtaking design. Finished in a deep, lustrous black with gold accent striping that catches the light like jewelry. The motorhome features the kind of proportions and presence that only Rolls-Royce can achieve. The front fascia is unmistakably Rolls-Royce, with a bold, vertical grille reminiscent of the iconic Phantom, flanked by sophisticated LED lighting that creates an almost theatrical presence whether day or night. The flowing curved bodywork isn't just aesthetically stunning. It's aerodynamically optimized to slice through the air with minimal resistance, improving fuel efficiency and reducing noise at remorseless highway speeds. The multi-level design showcases architectural ambition that goes far beyond traditional motorhome construction. Massive panoramic windows wrap around the entire structure, providing floor-to-ceiling views that blur the line between interior and exterior spaces. These aren't ordinary windows. They're likely electrochromic smart glass that can be dimmed at the touch of a button, providing privacy while maintaining the sense of openness that defines the interior experience. The curved, flowing lines of the exterior create a sense of movement even when stationary, while the gold accent bands that trace the vehicle's profile add a touch of glamour that announces this is something truly special. The wheel configuration is particularly impressive, featuring what appears to be a 12-wheel setup with custom Rolls-Royce alloy wheels that echo the elegant spoke designs found on their luxury automobiles. Each wheel is likely equipped with run-flat tires and advanced air suspension that can adjust ride height, firmness, and damping rates in real time, ensuring a ride quality that matches the smoothness Rolls-Royce owners expect from their vehicles. The chassis underneath is engineered to carry the substantial weight of this mobile mansion, while maintaining stability and handling characteristics that make driving feel effortless rather than laborious.
As we step inside the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, you are immediately greeted by the exquisite blend of black marble and gold.
Step inside, and you enter a world where every surface, every material, and every detail has been considered with the same meticulous attention that goes into crafting a Phantom or Cullinan. The interior spans multiple levels connected by sweeping staircases with integrated lighting that transforms movement between floors into an experience rather than simply a function. The ground floor likely features an expansive living area with furniture upholstered in the finest leathers and fabrics, hand-selected and color-matched to create a cohesive aesthetic that feels both contemporary and timeless. Rolls-Royce's signature Starlight headliner, featuring hundreds of fiber-optic lights that recreate the night sky, could extend throughout the ceiling, creating an atmosphere of quiet luxury and wonder. The main level would certainly include a state-of-the-art galley kitchen that goes far beyond typical RV cooking facilities. Imagine custom cabinetry crafted from rare woods with hand-polished hardware, professional-grade appliances integrated seamlessly into the design, and expansive countertops made from exotic stone or engineered surfaces that are both beautiful and practical. A formal dining area with seating for 8 or more would provide space for entertaining, while smaller, more intimate seating areas would offer perfect spots for morning coffee or evening cocktails. While watching the sunset through those magnificent windows, the upper level is where the private quarters reside. And here, Rolls-Royce's commitment to creating personal sanctuaries truly shines. The Master Suite would rival the finest hotel accommodations anywhere in the world. Featuring a bed custom-made to your specifications, surrounded by the finest linens and textiles money can buy. The ensuite bathroom would be a spa-like retreat with marble surfaces, heated floors, a rain shower, possibly a soaking tub, and fixtures that are both beautiful and functional. Walk-in closets with custom organizational systems would ensure your wardrobe travels in the same style you do. Additional guest suites would provide comfortable, private accommodations for family or friends, each appointed with the same attention to detail and luxury as the Master. The rooftop deck is perhaps the most dramatic feature of this remarkable vehicle, accessible via an interior staircase or possibly an exterior ladder. This outdoor living space transforms the motorhome into something approaching a super yacht on wheels. The deck includes comfortable lounge seating, possibly a hot tub or plunge pool, and certainly sophisticated entertainment systems for enjoying music or movies under the stars. Safety railings are designed to be both secure and elegant, maintaining the aesthetic integrity while providing necessary protection. Imagine parking this magnificent vehicle overlooking a mountain lake or coastal vista, ascending to the rooftop deck with your favorite beverage, and watching the world go by in absolute comfort and privacy. Technology integration throughout the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome would be nothing short of extraordinary. A central control system would manage everything from climate control in individual zones to lighting, entertainment, security, and even the vehicle's mechanical systems. Rolls-Royce's partnership with leading technology companies would ensure that every system is intuitive, reliable, and cutting-edge. Multiple entertainment zones would feature high-resolution displays, premium audio systems, and connectivity that keeps you in touch with the world regardless of where your travels take you. Advanced satellite communication systems would provide internet access even in the most remote locations, while multiple cameras and sensors would monitor the vehicle's surroundings, providing both security and convenience when parking or maneuvering. The power systems required to run such a sophisticated mobile estate would be equally impressive. Extensive solar panel arrays integrated into the roof structure would generate substantial electricity, supplemented by next-generation battery banks that can store enough power for extended off-grid living. A whisper-quiet diesel generator would provide backup power when needed, while advanced power management systems would optimize energy use to maximize efficiency and minimize environmental impact. The entire electrical system would be designed with redundancy in mind, ensuring that critical systems always have power available. Water and waste management systems would be engineered to the same exacting standards as everything else in the vehicle. Large-capacity freshwater tanks would provide hundreds of gallons of storage, while sophisticated filtration and purification systems would ensure water quality regardless of the source. Gray and black water systems would utilize advanced treatment, technologies that could potentially recycle water for non-potable uses, extending the time between dump station visits. Every plumbing fixture would be selected not just for its appearance, but for its performance and water efficiency. The driving experience in this Rolls-Royce motorhome would be transformed from the often stressful task of piloting a large RV into something approaching the serenity of being chauffeured in a luxury sedan. The driver's position would feature a command center with multiple displays, providing comprehensive information about every system, from engine performance to tire pressure to camera views. Advanced driver assistance systems would include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, collision avoidance, and possibly even semi-autonomous driving capabilities for highway travel. The steering, acceleration, and braking would all be calibrated to provide effortless control. Despite the vehicle's substantial size and weight, climate control throughout the motorhome would maintain perfect comfort regardless of outside conditions. Multi-zone systems would allow different areas to be set to different temperatures, accommodating varying preferences among occupants. Advanced air filtration would ensure pristine air quality, while humidity control would prevent the stuffiness that can plague traditional RVs. Heated and cooled surfaces, from floors to seats to even countertops, would provide comfort that goes beyond simple temperature control. Storage solutions throughout the vehicle would be both generous and ingenious. Custom-designed compartments would maximize every cubic inch of available space while maintaining the clean, uncluttered aesthetic that defines luxury. External storage bays beneath the main floor would house everything from outdoor furniture and recreational equipment to tools and supplies, all protected from the elements and secured against theft. Internal storage would be carefully integrated into the design, hidden behind beautiful cabinetry and accessible through smooth operating drawers and doors. The level of customization available to prospective owners would be virtually unlimited. Rolls-Royce's bespoke division could work with each client to create a truly unique vehicle that reflects their personal style, needs, and preferences. From exterior color schemes and wheel designs to interior materials, layouts, and features, every element could be tailored to the owner's specifications. The build process would likely take a year or more, with master craftspeople dedicating countless hours to ensuring every detail meets Rolls-Royce's exacting standards. Ownership of such an extraordinary vehicle would come with equally extraordinary support. Rolls-Royce would likely offer a comprehensive program including maintenance, repairs, and 24-hour roadside assistance anywhere in the world. Specialized technicians trained specifically on these unique vehicles would ensure any issues are addressed quickly and professionally. The warranty coverage would be comprehensive, providing peace of mind that matches the quality of the vehicle itself. The price point for this rolling masterpiece would certainly exceed $50 million, placing it among the most expensive vehicles ever created. At this level, however, price becomes almost secondary to exclusivity and achievement. This isn't transportation, it's a statement, a work of art, and a technological marvel all wrapped into one extraordinary package. It represents the absolute pinnacle of what's possible when the world's finest automotive brand applies its legendary expertise to creating the ultimate mobile living experience, proving once again that for those who demand the very best, Rolls-Royce stands alone.